Hi guys out there, you are welcome again to Top Trends Africa, your best channel for do it yourself African news, top celebrity news, and then most importantly, money making tips. Last week I posted a video on 7 online businesses that you can start with little or no startup capital, and I promised that I will be doing a video on each of the businesses. So I have kept my promise. Today we are going to start with blogging, because I told you that it is possible for you to create a blog without spending a dime. So that is what we are going to start with on Blogger platform. So join me. Forget about what you are doing. Watch this video from the very beginning to the end so that you enjoy every bit of what I have on this video. Now open your browser and type www.blogger.com. Okay. Now it will take you to this window and then you click on create a blog. Create a blog. Create a blog. Okay, I have signed in here already. That's why you are seeing this, but let me just clear it. Okay. Now you have to enter your email address. Enter your email address. Let me enter my own. This is my email address. Then you click on next. Now the next thing is for you to enter your password. I already have my password here. So you should type in your password. Then you click on next. Okay. Now it is going to take you to this platform. Let me just cancel all this information that we have here. So I want you to listen attentively so that you will be able to do this. Now choose a name for your blog. This is the title that will be displayed on top of your blog. When you check a blog, I mean a mini website or even any website, there is a name that is always displayed on top of the blog. So you are going to choose your own name. Let me call this Money Making Tips. Money Making Tips. Then you click on next. Now the next one is for you to choose an address for your blog. Now if you are creating a blog on fashion, I will advise you to choose an address that has to do with fashion. Your address must, go along with your niche. Now I have used money making tips. So let me try and put this here, money making tips. Money making tips. Sorry, this blog address is not available. Maybe some people have taken, or maybe someone has taken money making tips. So let's see, how am I going to tweak this? Let me add 101. Oh, is also not available. Okay, I'll change it to make money tips instead of tips 101. It's checking to know whether it is available. Oh, it has shown that the blog address is available, so I can go ahead. So my blog address is makemoneytips101.blogspot.com. Click on next. How do you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? Anybody that reads your blog, how do you want the name to be displayed? I'll call my own Markiem. Sorry, let me use Top Trends. Top Trends. I was actually mentioning my company name. Top Trends Africa. Then finish. Yes, you already have your blog here. Your blog has been created. But this is just an empty blog without any post. So I am going to show you how you are going to make your first post on the blog. You go to where you have new post. Click on this. There you are. What is the title of your post? Let me click on this place and I'll just say how to create a blog. That is the title of my post. How to create a blog. Then let's click on this place I now want to type in what I want to be on the post. Let me start with to create, sorry, to create a blog, you need a domain name and hosting. Let's just assume that is all that I want to post on the blog. Let me preview it. It's loading. Let me preview it. It's loading. Can you see? This is my blog. To create a blog, you need a domain name and hosting. I have not actually published it. So let me go back to this place. You know, there are some things that you can still do. Maybe you want to change the colors. You want to make this one bold. You want to make it bigger. You want to change the fonts. Let me change this one to Helvetica. Let me do this. Make this one large. And then let me add color to this one. See, I'm just trying to go to the formatting. These are things that you can do yourself. Let me add color to this one. What else can we do? Do we need to centralize? If we want to centralize, bring everything to the center. Okay, that means you have centralized it. And then what next? We want to make this one to be in italics, and then that is it. I will now publish. Okay, now what is the name of our blog again? Our blog is make money tips 101.blogspot.com. Let's check whether it has been published. Wow, our blog has been published. So the blog is here, money making tips. That's the title of the blog. How to create a blog is the title. Sorry, money making tips is the main title of the blog, but our post is how to create a blog. And look at what I did here. To create a blog, you need a domain name and hosting. Let me just take you through something before I close on this. If I go to themes, yes, I want to change the theme of this blog because I don't like the theme I'm seeing here. I don't really like this one. I want to change it to a better one. So there are themes here. Themes here. Let me see which one I will prefer. Which one? Let me go to Emporio. Okay. Okay. Simple. No. Okay. Maybe I should click this one. Let me see how this is going to appear. Apply. You click on apply. The theme has been applied. Let me refresh here and see what it's going to give me. Okay, it's giving me something like this. Do I like this? Let me change it. Let me change it to another one. Let me change to another one. Okay. Yes, let me go to awesome. Awesome. Let me choose awesome here. Okay, apply. Yes. Theme has been applied. Yes, it's loading. Let's wait for. Okay, this is actually awesome. It is awesome. 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 Why is it showing two? Okay. Let me try another one. Let me try another one. Maybe I should choose this one. Picture window. Okay, applied. Aha! I think I love this one. I love this one. I love this. So let's see the post that we have. This is our post, and then this is what we have here. Let me try and create another post. Let me call that one hello, I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. Then I post it. Confirm. I want us to see how this tool will appear. Let me refresh. Okay, can you see now? I love this because it's going to give you boxes like this. And then the way it is going to show is going to show in, it is called, is a reverse chronology now. The last one that you have posted will show on top. Okay, I think I have explained to you how to create a blog. I'm still going to explain further because there are still some formatting that you can do. But to start with, you can just play with this, create your blog so that I will not make this video too boring. I'll be coming up with some other videos on how to format the Blogger blog. So thank you for watching. If you love what I have done, I would like you to just smash the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell icon to get notified anytime I post another video. And if you have any question to ask, please, you can just pass your comments below and then I will attend to the comments. Thank you so much.